Hi there, welcome to the first lesson in this course. Before we jump up to talking about the steps of how to build our own chatbot, we need to understand the origin of those chatbots. To build our chatbot, we will depend on a pre-trained chatbot that was done by OpenAI. So let's dive deeper into OpenAI and get to know its own platforms and services. OpenAI is an artificial intelligence organization. It's a tech company that is focused on developing AI-friendly services. It developed very advanced language models. Those models are used for various applications, such as chatbots, creating images, changing audio to text, coding, and more. Our best reference to know about OpenAI is its own documentation. To preview that, we can go to OpenAI's platform. So to preview OpenAI's platform, we should go to a new internet page and go with platform.openai.com. This can actually take us to the main page of OpenAI's company. This is where you can actually read about its services and models. I'm going to go click on the documentation tab at the top, and every detail I need is to be presented over here. I'm going to scroll down and click on models. This is where you can find every single detail about every model that OpenAI created. There are various models done by OpenAI, and as you guys can see, some of them are for natural language processing, others are for generating images, changing audio to text, or creating numerical forms, or coding, and so on. So these are OpenAI's models, and from these models, we will depend on one model only, which is GPT-3.5. Because this is the model that was trained on generating natural language. And to create a chatbot, you're actually talking about natural language processing. To know more about GPT-3.5 models, you can scroll down and you can focus on each model by itself. So as you guys can see, it gives an overview of this model and what does it do. And here it shows the latest updates on this model. So it shows the first model that was generated for the tokenization and when was it updated. And finally, the last one, the one that we will depend on is the GPT-3.5 turbo model. And this model is actually amazingly capable of generating natural language. It also is 1/10 the cost of the previous update of it. So this is amazing. It will not cost you anything. It has a high number of tokenization and it was the latest one updated. So scrolling down, you can preview whatever data you need, and we will preview other stuff that we need from this page, such as the endpoint. To build our own chatbot, we will need the endpoint of each model in order to be able to send a request to this model and receive a response back. So as you guys can see, this is OpenAI. This is their documentation section where you can find any answer to any question you have in mind.